Have you ever wanted a way to browse the internet that feels faster, safer, and completely private? Today, I am going to walk you through the full process of setting up SSH Slow DNS on SSH Custom VPN, one of the best tools available right now for securing your connection and protecting your browsing activity. Stick with me through this video, and by the end, you will have everything configured and ready to use. If you find this helpful, please like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. Let's get started by downloading the app itself. Open the Play Store on your device and launch it. Once it opens, tap on the search icon at the top and type in SSH Custom VPN. Then press Enter to begin your search. You will see a number of results appear on the screen. Look for SSH Custom VPN and tap on it. Then tap the Install button to begin downloading. This should only take a few minutes, depending on your connection speed. Once the installation finishes, tap the Open button to launch the app, and you will land directly on the SSH Custom home screen. Before we can configure our slow DNS settings, we need to create an SSH server. So for now, go ahead and leave the SSH Custom app open in the background while we handle this next part. To create our server, you can use any web browser you are comfortable with, whether that is Chrome, Firefox, or something else. Open your browser and search for SSH Tunnel. From the search results, find the official SSH Tunnel website and open it. Once you are on the site, sign in to your existing account, or if you do not have one yet, take a moment to create a new account and then log in. Once you are inside your account, scroll down until you see the available server regions. Depending on what the website currently offers, you may see regions such as Europe, America, Asia, and others. For this tutorial, we are going to use the Asia region, so go ahead and tap on Asia. After selecting the region, you will see a list of specific server locations available within it, such as Singapore, UAE, Dubai, or other nearby options. Choose whichever location works best for you. For this demonstration, I will be selecting one of the available Asia region servers. Next, we need to enter our server credentials. Type in your username, followed by your password, making sure everything is entered correctly and that you are logged into the right account. Once all the details are filled in, tap the button to create your server, and then simply wait while the system processes your request. This may take a short moment, so be patient until you see a confirmation that the server has been successfully created. Within a few seconds, your server will be ready. At this point, you will see all of the important details on the screen, so copy the IP address, username, and password exactly as shown. Once you have copied everything you need, head back to the SSH Custom VPN home screen so we can continue the setup. Back inside the app, tap on the menu button located in the top left corner. From here, we are going to create a new profile, so tap on Profile and select the option to add a new one. A new window will open where you can first give your configuration a name of your choosing. Now enter the server details we copied earlier, including the IP address, username, password, and public key, placing each one in its correct field. Make sure to also check the Slow DNS box to activate that feature. Once everything looks correct, tap the Save button to store your configuration. Back on the home screen, you will now see a radio button. Tap it to start your VPN connection. You can swipe left at any point to view the connection logs and confirm that everything connected successfully. And that is it. You now have SSH Slow DNS fully configured and running on SSH Custom VPN, giving you a faster and more secure way to browse. If this tutorial helped you out, do not forget to like this video, drop a comment if you run into any issues, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. I will see you in the next video.